This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Charles S. Feldman. Fantastic 2-bedroom 2-full bathroom home in Oakland Villas. Bright spacious open floor plan. Newer roof. Laminate flooring throughout living areas. Tiled flooring in kitchen and both bathrooms. Large laundry room with sink. Separate breakfast area. 2 walk-in closets. Plenty of storage. Fruit trees galore, mangoes, coconuts and star fruit trees. Oversized 1-car garage. Large front porch. Awnings for shade over all windows around house. Central location, only 15 minutes to Fort Lauderdale Beaches. Close to major highways, restaurants, places of worship and schools. This is a well-maintained, very clean home. Ready for you to move into. For more information, review the details below.